I have figured out the only industry that AI is not going to disrupt, I think. And trust me, I have been thinking about this really, 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 really hard as somebody who works in marketing and makes content, because marketing and copywriting and making content are the things that are being affected the most already. So when AI combined with robotics comes in, I like, it was taking me forever to try to like come up with one industry that isn't going to be affected. Like, oh, lawnmower robots, like literally every labor job. Like, I can't. I've been going through it trying to figure this out, and I think I finally got it. So, physical fitness. Like, there is going to be no robotics available that are going to be able to like work out your body, and us like human flesh sacks are still going to need to move our bodies to be healthy. So I think that gyms and community fitness and all of that, and also just like, if the government can get their shit together and figure out the fact that everybody's jobs are going to be affected by AI, put in some sort of subsidy financially. I don't know the solutions, but people should have more time. If they're automating more of their work, we should have more time to focus on our fitness. And I just don't think that there is any AI or robotics that are ever going to actually be able to like make us physically healthier. So that's what I've come up with. What do you guys think? What industries are not going to be affected by AI and robotics?